Alright, we're going into the third week of October. The growing season's wrapping up here. This will be my last video, possibly for showing my plants anyways, because I'm getting ready to rip them all out. But this is Riverponics, Hydro Tea LLC. You can find me at riverponics.com. This is the patented brewer and my patented grow system, which I'll do an overview. So with this brewer, this is where you would put all your nutrients inside here. This is where all the aeration takes place and what delivers the nutrients out to the grow system. Inside here you would put all your, whether it be slow release granulated fertilizers, you could do water soluble fertilizers, or you could do compost teas, and even plant-based fermentation type of teas as well to deliver out to your system. So the water, the closed loop system, so you can see the water draining back there from the grow system, and then it pumps back up into the brewer, and then it's delivered through this 3/4 inch PVC out to the grow system, to each grow channel. There is a filter housing here that filters the teas and whatever you use. There are no glued fittings to this grow system. You can see the little 3/8 tubes I use. Got removable lids on all the grow channels. See the water draining there. So with this design, the water flows down one side of the channel, and it's open-ended. You can see it's open-ended right here. Same thing on the opposite end. Water flows all the way down. This is 12 foot long. Water flows all the way down, then wraps around the end, comes back and drains out here. Now this little spacer here, see the roots, that's what controls the level of fluid in your grow channel. So you can adjust the level of fluid in there. There's a root coming out here. This is a rosemary. It's kind of funny because each plant has its own type of root system. It's not very vigorous here on this one, but versus that big tomato plant over there, it's a really vigorous root plant. And I'm coming out with my new deeper channels. I'm still waiting on those. Had some issues, but it's coming. So that's when I'll be doing free giveaways and coming up with some new products. So stay tuned. But how this works is, let's try to lift this up. You see that? It's got a wick. So the water wicks up into each container. And then ultimately, like I said, is a closed loop. So this is a hybrid system. I can use soilless mixes here. This is a soilless mix I came up with. You see all these hot peppers here. That one's just loaded. That's soilless mix too. Or I can do soil there. That is a super soil mended by myself, and it wicks up and does fantastic. Or you can actually grow hydroponically in here as well. You would just drill holes in your lids and you can grow hydroponically. So that gives you, right there's 3 options of growing techniques you can be implemented with this system. Really nice pepper plant there. That thing's 4 foot tall. Bunch of aromas. Bell peppers, everything's rotting on the vine. It's towards the end of the year and it's hard to keep up with all this. Picked a tremendous amount of fruit off these, out of this garden. A nice oregano. Could do a lot of herbs and stuff. This could be done year round. This is an indoor-outdoor grow system. Lots of nice jalapenos. You can see this problemos here, this problemo plant. Real nice fruit on there. There's a lot of them. Some more jalapenos. So everything's wrapping up here, folks. So, nice lemon balm. This thing's huge. That cherry tomato right here, I wish I would have caged it up higher. That thing should have been 7 foot tall. But you can see at the top of the cage, the branches are broke over and they're laying all the way down on the ground. Yeah, it would have been a 7 foot tall cherry tomato plant. And that thing produced massive amounts of cherry tomatoes. Some nice tomatoes on here. Yeah, pick one right here. It's a real nice tomato right there. These Romas did extremely well too. There's still a ton of them on there. It's rotting on the vine. I just been real busy, man, concentrating on other things. Waiting on my new grow channels, and that's coming real soon. So I've been waiting for 4 months now. But in the meantime, you know, my hobbies are growing plants, building grow systems, playing music, and I like to invest money. So, and I might share that here as well. I think I might have found a really good investment. I know I have, actually. And put my money where my mouth is, kind of thing. And I wouldn't mind sharing what I found, and maybe you might be interested as well. So, alright guys, for all my new subscribers, this was a quick overview. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or contact me. Love to speak with you. A lot of options to this grow system. It's super user friendly. You can grow organically with this system. A lot of options here. Very versatile. All right, folks, have a good night. Thanks.